Important for these Prados is to use limited slip differential axle fluid, not the normal axle fluid. Now I don't have a small bottle, so what I took is an old axle fluid bottle from one of the other cars, just removed this spout, and now I'll fill it up with 500 mils of the limited slip fluid and then squeeze it with the bottle into the filler hole. Drain hole, you can see there's a damaged copper washer which I'll replace with a new one if I can find one today. And you can see this is a magnetic plug, and you can see all the filings there, metal filings in that middle bit there. So I'm going to clean out this properly. So it's a good thing that I changed this oil. Okay, so I cleaned out this plug. You can see this bottom one has a magnet in it, and it's 100% better now. Just brake clean and paper towels, but this will have to be replaced. You can see it's oval shaped, so it won't go over there anymore. Okay, so I couldn't find a crush washer at any of the parts stores that's still open, so I just cut one from paper, and I'm sure that should work. Put some red RTV on there. I'm just waiting for 5 to 10 minutes for it to form a film, and I'm going to clean the drain hole and then plug this back in, then we can fill it up. So I'm just threading back the drain plug after cleaning all of it, and I'm going to tighten this now to the recommended 49 Newton meters. Okay, so I checked and it's 2.6 liters, so that's half of this can, 2.5 quarts almost, of limited slip diff transmission, well, axle fluid. So I decided to just use some sandpaper on the old washer in there and some red RTV, just a small little bit, and I've torqued it to 49 Newton meters, and it's all buttoned up now, and that's it. Easy. See you next time.